Good morning, guys. So I just finished, I'm finishing up my skincare now. I am getting ready to go for a wax. I'm gonna be going to Naked Cherry and I'm gonna get my brows shaped, and also I'm gonna go for a Hollywood wax. So this is something I've been meaning to do for the longest time, and I think just besides Corona and everything, I think personally for me, like with the goals I set for myself, like just to grow internally and to kind of just boost my own confidence and that kind of thing. There are a lot of things that I haven't done for myself, so I'm really excited to do this video. I usually get all these things done, but like never all at once, so I kind of just do things as and when needed. My year has been very, I think, bittersweet. Sweet in that I've seen myself grow in a lot of areas, and I really pushed myself out of my comfort zone this year in a number of ways. But I think the bitter part has just been my ongoing battle with mental health issues. Man, like, it's hard, it's tough. I've really been battling with my mental health and it sucks, and I just feel like with the new content as well that I'm trying to produce, I need to be in a certain headspace, you know? I feel like there are a lot of things that I kind of need to heal from before I can start sharing what it is that I really want to share. I just kind of need to recenter myself and my mind as well, just so that I can give the best part of myself to you guys. So that's kind of where I've been. And I think like with mental health as well, like sometimes I think those who struggle with mental health will know exactly what I'm talking about, that it's so easy to forget to take care of yourself. You wake up and you just don't feel like getting out of bed, and you just, you know, I feel like with mental health, some of the simplest tasks become so difficult to even do, like showering, brushing your teeth and that kind of thing, and I've kind of just been in and out of that. So I'm really excited to be doing this video as well, because I just feel like I need that for my soul, for myself, you know? But I think one thing I'm really grateful for, like for this year, is that I feel like there's now a lot more talk about mental health, and a lot of Africans, a lot of Black people are really beginning to see the importance of mental health and taking care of yourself and like taking time for yourself, because this year has had a number on quite a lot of people. So I feel like this year now more than ever, a lot of people are really beginning to see the value of taking care of your mental health and like how much of an impact it has on your life. And in my experience as well, like as an African Christian and a Black child, like mental health is so underrated. Like it's just so, people don't really take you seriously, you know, they don't really understand. Hence why I decided to kind of just treat myself, just to kind of feel good and just take care of myself as well. But that's not to say that you have to do this. I think just personally for me, honestly, just taking care of myself is such a big achievement, but also it's something I've neglected for a really long time, and I just want to do it, you know? It makes me feel good, because when I look good, I feel good. So yeah, personally, this is me doing it for my mental health, and I just hope you guys enjoy this video. The other thing, guys, like take care of yourself. Find what it is that makes you feel good. If you do have mental health issues, I think it's important for you to deal with them. But also, like, little things like this honestly do make such a huge difference. You know, it makes you feel good when you feel clean and just kind of put together. I think working outwards and in kind of helps. I think it's also important to look at the core, like what is the core? What is actually happening inside, and deal with that, because regardless of how many times you take care of yourself on the outside, or if you're dressing well and taking showers and doing all these self-care stuff, but you're not actually dealing with the stuff that's inside, then it doesn't really do much, you know? Just take care of yourself, be patient with yourself, be kind to yourself, be gracious to yourself. Things will work out. all dressed up now and ready to go for my wax. I'm just waiting for my Uber. But the next clip basically will be me getting my Hollywood wax and my eyebrows shaped. I don't know why I'm whispering.
I feel the rain coming down right now. Finally feel alive and I don't know how. If I'm honest, I don't care to figure it out. Cause I'm on one every time I feel that power.
This place is so cute. And it smells so good in here.
Feel the change all the way down in my soul. Now when I feel weak, you say I'm okay. You saw me trusting diamonds, what we got is...
So guys, this is Linda. And she's going to be giving me my wax today.
Is it but then you don't exfoliate, right?
No.
You need to start exfoliating and looking after the skin. It's important that you do it.
Okay. What would you recommend?
I would recommend firstly a cleanser. Because it's antibacterial and it's antiseptic. Let me know if the wax was a bit too hot.
Okay. No, it's fine.
Is it okay on the skin?
Yeah, it's okay on the skin.
Okay, cool. So you would cleanse the area because you want your skin to stay and to look good, right? To stay the same.
Yeah.
So you would cleanse the area, exfoliate and moisturize. So the same way that you look after your face, it is the same way that you would look after your...
Yeah.
You're very down here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
You had already seen it?
to get rid of dead skin cells and encrones, to prevent encrones coming out in the future, we have to do the right thing, right?
Okay.
Yeah. And I'm sure you want to keep it looking good, right?
Yeah, definitely.
And the oils are nice also because they help with encrones and helping the hair to grow out quite a bit smoother and less itchy. Needs to smell good, needs to look good at the same time.
Yeah.
That's where the oil comes in, hey? Yeah. So it needs to be moist 24/7. you know also when you undress, got the confidence. Yeah, it's on point. Things are smelling good down there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know. I mean, personally, I feel like looking after my fairies. It's one of the best things that I do. I make sure that it's shaved, it's clean.
Yeah.
And I make sure with health-wise, it's also clean.
Yeah.
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 So to me, that is important. Yeah. To look after yourself a bit much more when you're a woman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Guys, can I just say that was the most painless wax I've done. I mean, it's the second one, but it was really good.
I feel the rain coming down right now. Finally feel alive and I don't know how. If I'm honest, I don't care to figure it out. Cause I'm on one every time I feel that power. And yeah, so what? I made some bad mistakes, but I've been the same ever since you called my name. And I feel the change all the way down in my soul. Now when I feel weak, you say I'm okay. You saw me trusting diamonds, what we got is priceless, priceless. What we got is priceless, I done had it all.
So I just finished my wax, and like for my fairy, as Linda calls them, and my brows, and I'm really happy. Honestly, you guys, I would recommend Naked Cherry, and Linda is just, she's amazing. She's so sweet. She made the whole experience like less awkward. It really wasn't painful, at least not for me, like not unbearably painful, you know. She's been amazing. So yeah.
I just call it righteous, righteous.
I was alone, stuck in my ways. You came along, just like a saint. I was on lockdown. But the whole time you had the keys. I don't know what it is you're doing to me. I was lost before, but baby, now I see. Cause there you are looking at me and I'm looking at you. Looking at us and I'm thinking that we got something good, and I know that there's nothing that's coming between us, no nothing at all. And they can call it love and whatever they want, but I call it right, I call it right and
trusting
trust.
diamonds, what we got is priceless, priceless. What we got is priceless, I done